What's up? Some more spicy cheddar popcorn with Tabasco sauce. What? Heirloom Pipcorn snacks. Spicy cheddar mini popcorn with Tabasco sauce flavor. So I love Tabasco sauce. It's still one of my favorite sauces. It's the first sauce I ever had, you know what I mean? It was the first like spicy type condiment, you know what I mean, I ever had. So cool little deal here. I don't remember where I found these, but never seen them before. Ingredients, a lot of ingredients. Let's just get to it. Ooh, smells good. Smells like that popcorn you get at Christmas. Again, I say it again on a popcorn video, but it does. And these are little mini popcorns. Little guys. Ooh, that does taste like Tabasco, dude. Okay. Wow. Pretty good. Oh, I see on the backside here they got spicy cheddar cheese balls with Tabasco. That would be dang. I'll have to look for those. These are pretty good. They're not overly cheddary. They got a good little spice to them. They got the Tabasco flavoring for sure. You know, a lot of times you get product and you get things, they don't taste anything like, you know, like this, Tabasco. This tastes like Tabasco sauce. Just not a lot of it, you know what I mean? This would be great. Just take an open bottle of Tabasco and dump it in there. And then shake the bag up. Then you'd have something really nice with a good vinegary, you know, kind of spice to it. It would be tasty that way. Ooh, dropping popcorn. This wasn't a video I was going to do today. But I didn't think about the shit was frozen. And the other one I wanted to do, the sauce was frozen. Anyway, these are munchies, dude. If you like Tabasco sauce and popcorn, you're gonna love these. Alright, we'll see you on the next video, huh?